Dear friends, today let us see how to pay BSNL bill online. Now this is a message which I have received for the BSNL bill, landline bill for this one's account number, and you need to click on to the below link to pay. So I am just clicking the link given below. So once you click the link below, it will lead to this page. So billing period from July 1st to July 31. Payable amount is 931. Okay, we can easily pay using the link given in the message as sent by BSNL. So scrolling it down, so total due amount is 931. So you can easily click to pay the bill. Click it. Once you click it, it will lead to different options. Either you can pay using internet banking or credit card, debit card or cash card. So I am using internet banking, so I click internet banking. Then banks, I have ICICI bank account. So payment gateway selected, bill desk. Now enter the above code 564796. Click continue for payment. After entering the code, click continue for payment. So now processing is going on. So just enter the user ID and password. So once that is done, enter the remarks. Give some name to the remarks. So I am giving some remark, BSNL bill July 2021. Now enter the one-time password received in the OTP. Okay, so going to the message. So I have received the message from my bank, ICICI bank. So this is a OTP received. So I am entering the OTP as given in the message, received from the bank, which we have internet banking. So once internet banking OTP password is done, click pay. So payment is successful. Right, processing is going on. Please wait, your transaction is being processed. So this is the bill, receipt for the bill paid. Either you can save as PDF or take printout. Okay, I'm just taking a screenshot and you can send it to anyone. I'm using screenshot to send it to your WhatsApp. Okay, so screenshots sent to WhatsApp. I am typing the message in WhatsApp like BSNL internet fiber bill paid today. Okay, now send. Okay, so we can easily pay the bill, BSNL bill online using the link provided in the BSNL message. Okay, you can save this bill, right? So this is the bill. You can take printout of the bill and keep it for reference, future use. Okay, so this is a procedure how to pay BSNL bill online using internet banking. Okay, so very easy to pay, just try. Okay, thank you friends, thank you so much for watching. Easily pay the bill online. Similarly, you can pay any bills online. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe free to iINTELLIGENCEi to get more videos on daily use technology. Also, please like and share if you find our videos really useful and informative. Thank you so much for watching.